Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Burlington, and I'm going to look at the women's and juniors clothing. I see these cute sweatpants. They're so colorful. We have those little SpongeBob ones. Super cute. And I'm going to try to find some clearance today too. But they have these graphic t-shirts. This one says West Coast. I like this one with the colors. But most of their shirts, when they're not on clearance, are like $6.99 to $12.99. And on clearance, you can find them for $4. Sometimes like $4 to $10, I would say. But this is an American Eagle shirt. It's super cute. So you can get an American Eagle shirt for just $6 regular price. So that's good. Like Burlington, I had been kind of disappointed because it seems like they always have their name brands aren't that good. But it's nice to see they have American Eagle name brands here at Burlington. This Smurf shirt is super cute for $6. A little sleeveless top. Little Minnie Mouse. And then over here they have this denim jacket that's like checkered. That's super cute. And it's $17.99, which is a pretty good deal considering it's a jacket. And over here I noticed some Aeropostale joggers. So we saw that American Eagle shirt, now we're seeing some Aeropostale. I know a lot of places, the Aeropostale closed down. In my area, we still have one. These joggers are super cute with the little sparkly stripes. Thought I'd look at the jeans because I don't ever show you guys the jeans. But it looks like most of the jeans are like $14.99 to $16.99. And I saw the brand, I think it was Wallflower here, which is a good brand. It's like stretchy. Because jeans can be kind of uncomfortable unless you get the kind that are stretchy. But I'm going to walk around, see what else I can find. I know they have some coats. I want to see if their coats are on clearance yet. And because usually the coats are full price, like starting in August. So I feel like now they should be starting to be on clearance. But a lot of times the coats don't last this long because everybody's already bought them. So this one's cute. I like the color of this. It's like a dusty pink or dusty rose, but it's $59, so it's still full price. This green one is on clearance, so that's good. They are having some of these on clearance. Oh, this Guess one's really cute. And it's still full price. Maybe they just haven't started marking them all yet. I'm really surprised they have so many, because usually the coats really dwindle down. like starting in August and September. But the coat I have now is from Target, and I got it just for, I think it was like $50, and it's a real nice coat, kind of like this one, you know, like a puffer with the hood. And I usually just get one of those. I get a black one, and it lasts me usually 10 years. It lasts me a long time because you only wear coats, you know, in the winter. You don't wear them all the time, so you end up having these coats that are just like hardly worn. So they do last a long time, and I always get black because it goes with everything. I know some people love coats and they get every color coat. And be sure to check out my other Burlington videos, and I will have more Burlington videos. I have Ross videos, Kohl's, Target. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.